This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 68 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're doing the rear seat. We've got some more seatbelt action to get on with. We've got the two different types of seatbelt. We've got the ones with the clip bit and the ones with the hook bit. I don't think they actually do. It even goes in there. Nice. It doesn't clip in though. They haven't built an entire clip mechanism. So we're basically doing the same thing as we've done before. We're poking through these clip bit things. Get it the right way up so it looks nice on the outside. So this is going through the slot in the back there. I think it's going to be that way around. Let's check and see. That goes through there. Yeah. That goes over there, over the pin, and once again I will glue that in place just to make sure. The other one, the clippy type one, again doesn't really have a way up on this one, so we'll aim for that way around. That just goes over here, and there is a sort of a indentation there that it's obviously going to fit into when it goes through into the bodywork, but that again just clips on there and then goes together. Let me glue all these down, get the other side in, and then we'll attach this to the rest of the body interior. Right, that's that all on there. The glue's not completely dry, but it's not going to be under tension or anything, so that doesn't really matter. That is now going to be installed onto the back of the car here. It goes obviously over the lumpy bit there. We've got 4 screw holes and 4 screw sockets to put them into. The only tricky thing I think is going to be making sure that these line up coming out of the slots there, but I think they're pretty much going to anyway. So let's get that in there, and making sure they're not trapped anywhere else. Looking good to me. Then we need 4 screws to hold that in place, and they're supplied us with a collection of them. Get out the 4 that I'm going to need. I'm sure there'll be 1 spare in the packet there, yeah. Just like always. So let's get 4 screws in the bottom of this to hold that together. Over again. Quite easily identified 4 screw holes there. 1 in there. 1 in the opposite corner. I know that will hold everything secure. I can get the screw in the screw hole. There we go. Yep. And then we've just got 2 more to do. 1 down there. And 1 in the final hole just there. Make sure they're all secure and we are good to go. Another issue complete, and the interior is coming along. We've got some seatbelt things there. I'm assuming that these are going to be, I don't know, are they for the front? They can't be for the rear because they're nowhere near the rear. The rear is just going to be lap straps like that. So these have got the front bit, clippy bit down there. that. I really don't know. I can't imagine that's what elapsed for it. And these must just be, I mean, that's a roller at the top. So you just sort of grab them from over your shoulders and pull them around, and then they'd stretch out to there. Bit like that, maybe. Really can't tell, but it's probably something like that, isn't it? It's got to be. We'll probably have them going over the corners of the seat in normal use. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to grab them particularly easily, would you? I don't know, is that going to stretch over there? Bit, but then the seat's not going to pull forward very well. So we'll leave them just hanging down the back there. I'm sure that's fine. So that's that. Join me next time when we're continuing the rear interior. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.